Children, last day we were talking about a boy who was so eager to see a river. Shall we continue? One day, the boy was standing in front of his house. Then his friend came there. He asked, "Hey, why are you standing here? Are you alone at home?" The boy said, "Yes, my parents are not at home. They have gone to my uncle's house. They will come only in the evening." Then he said, "Oh, then shall we play now?" The boy said, "No, dear, not today. Let's play some other day." "Okay, see you. Bye-bye." His friend went back. Then an idea flashed through his mind. "Oh, it's a golden chance for me. Father and mother are not at home, so I will visit that river today. But I must be back before evening, or else my parents will come to know of that." Then he started making plans to visit the river. Let's see what his plans are. It was 11 o'clock, and he knew his parents wouldn't return home till evening. There was a loaf of bread he could take with him, and on the way he might find some fruits. Here was an opportunity he had waited for. His mother and father had gone to visit relatives for the entire day and had left him on his own. If he came home before dark, before they returned, they wouldn't know where he had been. He went into the house and wrapped the loaf in a newspaper. Then he closed all the doors and windows. The path to the river dropped steeply into the valley, then rose and went round the big mountain. It was frequently used by the villagers, the woodcutters, milkmen, and mule drivers, but there were no villages beyond the mountain or near the river. Here we have a new word, mule. A mule is a crossbreed of a donkey and a horse. Mules are used in the hilly region to carry heavy loads. Dear children, can you answer these questions? Where did his father and mother go? His father and mother went to visit their relatives. Which sentences tell you that he was going on a long journey? He went into the house and wrapped the loaf in a newspaper. Then he closed all the doors and windows. Who used that path frequently? That path was frequently used by the villagers, the woodcutters, milkmen, and mule drivers. As the boy was walking, he met a woodcutter on the way. He asked the woodcutter, "Hey, can you help me?" Children, can you write the conversation between the boy and the woodcutter?